Hello everyone, here I'm just doing a plein air painting just near the river. Fields and animal all around. Wind is blowing great, making me feel comfortable under the high voltage sun. It is almost 8:30 am in the morning, and now I'm making some rough lines for idea. I tried to come little earlier but I couldn't, and here just covered my paper with brilliant red, and I love doing that before the painting. When I paint with gouache, I have to spray them again and again because they dry too fast. So if you want your colors won't die, keep sprinkling water on them. I always start with the sky and also make some final touches at the end. After the sky, I draw trees that are behind the main landscape. Then I come closer to the thing slowly. What I keep in mind while making plein air is to bring that feel in your painting, what you seeing. So it's important to draw in a way that things come up, that what is far in your painting and what is near, and where is sunlight hitting the ground and shadows. This all together makes a complete plein air. And don't forget to drink water. I enjoy making painting outside, but sometimes it's not easy. Depends what type of weather is. So keep hustling and enjoy the nature.